First thing we need to do before removing the warp that we've wound is set the brake. This just gives you a wee bit of resistance. Now let's look up here at the cross. We have our sticks through there, and yes, this is not the warp we were working on before, but I have to do it by a certain color, and I had to take it off and put this on there so we could do it. This is all girl does, is take them off once we get to that point. But we're going to start at the bottom. But I just wanted you to see that would not work out to take it off that way, because this would make this go whipper jaw, and that would not be good. So let's go to the bottom of our reel. Hear that resistance? We're going to pull this off of here like this. And if you think you're not going to get to do this right away, thread your loom, that is, or tie one on, you want to take it off in a chain. So you just cross it and just start pulling it through like this. One right through the next hole. This will keep everything in a reasonable order. Now we're going to lift this off. No need to tie anything. We're going to walk over here to the loom. Lay it right down on here. Each thread will come off of here respectively. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to use our cords to keep this in place. This is the cutting board you want to make. It makes life easier. You can just tie that here with your bungee cords. Excuse me, Fred, if you can look another place instead of inside my ear, that'd be good. Get these off of here. Maybe you can hand me one, would be great. When I get to that point again, we're going to put this through here. Take it to the bottom, anywhere, just to keep it in place. You can use thread, you can use rope, you can use whatever you want to keep things where you want it. It really doesn't matter. Just your cross is preserved. You've protected it. You can even put one just through here, and sometimes it'll reach both places, and you're in really good shape. This is a small warp stick, but it doesn't matter which warp stick you use or how many, actually. I'm going to take this through there. Then I'm going to attach it down here, and we're good to go. Now we'll just simply start at the very beginning here and start tying one on. Take one right after the other. And you can see how that is. Depends on how many you have in a sinnet. A sinnet is a group of yarns. You take the very first one you come to, and you'll cut that, untie this, and start tying one on after you have made the loops that you see in the video that's coming up next. Those loops should already be done. And now you're going to tie your knot that you can learn to tie from that video. And that's all there is to it. You want to tie a knot that can come out easily, and so you don't have to lose a thing. That's all there is to it.